that a mouse? No? What is that? It's Rocco! Rocky Tiki Taco, you opened your first Christmas present and you love it. It's a non-toxic piggy. Made in the USA. Hey, you. Hey, buddy. He got to it first, Bentley. You guys are wiped out. Our cousin Griffin came over today. He's a Pug Maltese mix, and he's a puppy. Judah? Judah? Do you need some Carol syrup, maybe? Hey, buddy. You're pooped. That puppy ran you ragged. You're such a good boy. Rocco, this is the first time you've played since your neck problem. And I'm so happy that we didn't, that we went the extra mile for you. Because this is quality of life right here. Chewing on quality piggy toys. Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, I didn't think I could have it. Please, Rocco? Please? Your brother wants it. Your brother's want it. No. Oh, sorry, baby. Can I have it? What? Oh, my goodness. I'm glad you like it, honey. All right, but don't eat it. That prednisone makes you want to eat everything.